Let's make slap house. Let's set the tempo to 126 BPM and start with some punchy kicks. After 4 bars, let's add some claps. And after another 4 bars, I'll add some open hi-hats. Some closed hi-hats. Some shakers. And some crashes. Now we need a snappy bass like this, and create a bouncy bass line. I'll layer another sound to fatten this up. Then let's turn this to mono. Sidechain using a limiter. And add some EQ. I'll record the first note of every bar using Edison. And reverse them to get this gliding effect. Let's add a sublayer real quick. I'll sidechain this and add some EQ. Then we need some pads for atmosphere. I'll sidechain this and add some EQ. Then I'll make a pluck melody closely following the bass line. I'll EQ this. And add some reverb. Then we need some vocals. I'll sidechain this using Kickstart. Add some EQ. Some reverb with a low cut. And a filter to fade this into the second half of the drop. Then I'll add some tonal shots of ear candy. Moving on to the second half, let's add a synth. I'll add some distortion to this. And some multiband compression. Then some pads for tension. I'll just sidechain this. Since the drop is now done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. I'll start the intro with the pads, the vocals, and the claps. Then let's add a Reese bass for the lows. Then some exhausts to transition into the build-up. Moving on to the build-up, I'll add the Plucks. Some build-up drums. And some risers. Then I'll create a cutoff automation on the master to thin out the build-up, which makes the drop sounds bigger. I'll copy this entire track and paste it behind the drop, and make some adjustments to differ this from the first half. So guys, our track is now done. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.